Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your family members to the Sprouts app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and allow your family members to order from the Sprouts app. How do you actually go ahead and invite them? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into the Sprouts app. Next, click on More in the bottom right hand corner. Then click on Invite and then click on Invite Now. So this is where you can enter their first name and email, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a family member to the Sprouts app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.